But he still likes his big walks.
Yeah, that's good.
Have a good one. Right, yeah. Take care. Right, that's where they do the markets. They're small. I probably come over 2-3 times a year just to go to the markets. I mean, they are pretty much the same in, week out.
Yep.
But you know, it makes for a good hour and a half. But yeah, we are lucky here, that's for sure. Anyway, the bridge, even though you can't see it, is probably about 200 metres away. And that's where we're heading. There were some canoeists going upstream. If I was a canoeist, I'd go upstream first, have a nice easy glide back down. Anyway, don't know if you can see, but there's 2 sculptured black cockies up there. I just don't want to get too close because it will announce where we are. Anyway, I think you might be able to see them. They are, where are they? Why can't I see them on the screen? Yeah, they're there. There's the bridge. A little bit of a lookout. Oh, lookout's got a dodgy leg.
That's got a fairly.
That's a very dodgy leg, Philippa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. There's a private residency. That house is just one big long rectangle. Right, there's them sculptures. They would have cost a small fortune, and of course unless you look up you're not likely to see them. Anyway, there's the bridge, there's the other side of that B&B, and we are heading through there. Yes, the water is broken, the river's broken its banks there. There is a set of steps down there that will take you to the river, but of course they're all underwater. Anyway, let's head up.